Why is it that all of our favorite things, red wine, olive oil, coffee, seem to create the worst stains? I'm Katie Holdifer, and this is Spotless. In this series, I'm going to show you 2 ways to get rid of even the worst stains. First, we'll start with a simple hack using stuff that you probably already have around your house. And then we're going to step up the stain fighting power, and I'll show you a more involved remedy that will get out even stubborn stains. I live in New York City, which, as many of you know, isn't exactly the cleanest place. And that becomes a problem because I also love the look of fresh white sneakers. It seems like the second I step outside my door, my shoes become covered in dirt and stains. Luckily, that doesn't mean that they're ruined forever. So the best trick for keeping white leather sneakers looking brand new is to not wait until months and months of stains have totally destroyed them. In this episode, we're going to start with a simple hack using a magic eraser, and then I'm going to show you a more involved remedy that will get out even set-in stains. So let's get started. Bringing in my dirty sneaker. Dipping in my magic eraser. Oh wow, look at that! This works so well. Thank you, magic eraser. And voila. Look at how dirty that magic eraser is now. Also, because these sneakers are leather, once you use the magic eraser to get everything off, it'd be a little bit damp, and you never want to leave water on leather, so make sure it's fully dry. Ta-da! Looks so good. Let's back up a second. This time the cleaning hack worked, but if you have a really set-in stain, you may need to take it up a notch. Try this. Now in a bowl, I'm going to combine 1 tablespoon of toothpaste. You want to use white toothpaste, don't use the gel kind, and you definitely don't want to use charcoal toothpaste for this. And now I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of baking soda, and then also about 1 tablespoon of warm water. Now I'm going to stir this together. You want it to be a paste, so if you add a little bit too much water, don't worry, we can just go ahead and add a little bit more baking soda to even it out. Now that's perfect. Now I have my toothbrush. Look at that, it's working all the dirt. Nice little circular motion. And then after you've gone in with a toothbrush, just take a clean, dry cloth, and you want to wipe it off and make sure there is no residue left on it. Look, it looks so much better. Guys, look how good this looks. And just like that, they're good as new. If you want more stain fighting tips like this, be sure to subscribe and turn on those notifications so you won't miss a thing.